Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily. My favorite makeup today, the only thing I'm wearing is one of the YSL Rouge Volupte tints. This one is in a beautiful pink shade. It's just really nice on my lips. I'm so dry right now. The sand has been sort of berating me, but I'm about to go home from Florida, so I'm packing up, and before I do, I wanted to go through all the makeup that I was going to take home with me and make sure I pulled out anything that wasn't worth bringing home. And so today's video is going to be about all of my empties from the last month and my fails. And for empties, I did finally use up these terrible Burts Bees micellar cleansing towelettes. They just smell terrible. They have white cypress oil. I hate them. They smelled like wet wipes or diapers or something. Ugh, just no good. I did use them up finally. I use them on my hands generally, and you know, they work fine. They actually do take makeup off pretty well. I just can't stand the smell of them. I also used up one of the Sephora Pomegranate cleansing wipes. I do really like these. I think they smell great, and I think they're really nice. They're not, you know, you don't get the most in the bag for the price for them, but I think they're pretty good, and I like to pick these up every once in a while. It's sort of like an add-on to my cart. So these I would purchase again. I also used up a small size of the Glam Glow Super Cleanse. This is a clearing cream to foam cleanser. I got this in my Sephora Play box, and I used this over the last couple of weeks just to, you know, help get off like dirt and that kind of thing. I thought this stuff was okay. I mean, it did work. I didn't feel like it stripped my skin once I used it, and it took off my makeup okay. I just wasn't super impressed with this. I know that the regular size is pretty expensive, so, you know, I wouldn't buy a full size of this. I just didn't think it was that good, but, you know, it was fine. It didn't bother me. And I have this. This is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Micro Cleansing Balm. I do actually like this stuff. I usually split it with my mom. So if she picks up another one of these, we sort of scoop out half the product and put it back in. So I would purchase this again if she and I were splitting it, but I wouldn't buy it for myself. It's just too expensive. And last, I used up the Tarte Tight and Bright Clay Multi Mask. So this had a gold side that is sort of hydrating, and then it was a purple side that was supposed to be exfoliating, work on your pores, that sort of thing. I really didn't like the tightening side. I did not think that was a very good clay mask, and also mine eventually changed color and started to smell a little different, so I stopped using it. But I used all of the gold side. I really did like the gold side a lot. I would use it under my eyes. I would use it on my hands if my hands were feeling particularly bad. And so, you know, it was fun to put this mask on because it looked very silly and I looked like a sort of weird fancy robot. But again, this is a fairly expensive mask and I don't think it's that great. I actually like my Peter Thomas Roth 24 karat gold mask just as much. So I have plenty of that left, so I'm going to keep using that. I do think the packaging on this is very pretty. Like, I've enjoyed Tarte skincare, but I'm probably not going to repurchase this. And now on to the fails. There's not a lot to say about these except I just don't like them. So first up was a nail polish. This is the Maybelline Color Show holographic nail polish. This is what I'm wearing actually today. It looks nice on my nails. It chips immediately, like absolutely immediately, and I don't have time to take it off right now, so that's why I haven't. But I don't like it. It's not good. So I'm definitely tossing this. Also, this Wet n Wild Fast Dry nail color. I don't have as much luck with the fast dries. This one also chipped like crazy. The color is very beautiful. It's a really neat purple, but I'm not going to take this back and forth. I actually got this at like a clothing swap, so I'm not upset about it. It's not like I paid money for it because the girl who had it just didn't like the color. I do think the color is great, but it's just not very good nail polish. I'm also going to toss out my NYX Duo Chromatic Shimmer lip gloss in this green shade. I think this is called Foam Party. I hated this lip gloss. I thought it was terrible. It's really beautiful. Like, I love the color of it, but it felt awful. It was just not a good thing. So I'm definitely tossing this. And I'm tossing this H&M matte lip cream. This stuff's terrible. I looked terrible when I wore it. So I tried to wear it again. Did not work. I've also been trying to get this Maybelline Master holographic prismatic highlighter. This is in 050. I just don't think this is very good. It's pretty chunky, and I have other highlighters that are similar in like the glitteriness to this that are much better quality. So this isn't worth taking home. It's not worth giving to anybody either. I just didn't like it. And last up is this. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Cushion Foundation. This has SPF 15. When I picked this up, I didn't realize that this particular Wet n Wild foundation has like only 12 shades or something, and they're not very good either. So when I first picked this up, I assumed that they had similar shades to, you know, the Photo Focus foundation, because they have tons of shades in that, but they don't, so that sucks. So I didn't actually do a video of actually using this foundation, but I was still trying it out just to see if I liked it or not, because I'd already paid for it at that point and I'd opened it. That was my bad for not doing more research. I tried this in light, medium, cool, and neutral beige. It doesn't look good on me, and I filmed a couple videos with it on, and it looks patchy and weird, and I look like my makeup isn't blended very well. I love the idea of a cushion foundation, but I have yet to find the right one. This is definitely not it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you're enjoying the content on this channel, please subscribe. If you've got a suggestion for a video, please put that in the comments down below. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you all soon. Bye!